Create a new Fusion composition. Add on the timeline. Go to the Fusion tab. Add a text node. Connect it to the media out. Type your text. Choose a font and size. Right-click in the text input area and select Follower. Go to the Modifier tab. Set the delay to 1. Go to the Transform tab. Open the size parameter and set keyframes. At frame 0, set the value to 0. At frame 10, value 1.5. And at frame 20, value 1. Now we have that animation. Open the spline editor and smooth out the keyframes. Go back to Tools, after Settings, and enable Motion Blur. One more small detail, add a Transform node. Set keyframes for the size parameter at frame 0 and frame 20. At frame 10, increase the value to 1.2. Also, smooth out the animation in the spline editor. Now is done.